Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear students? This is your English period. First recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. So beta, today we will do the workbook work. Open page number 6. So beta, we are on page number 6. And what is the topic? The toffee. The toffee. Today we will do the toffee work. First write date and day over here. The toffee. My word wall. My word wall. Prepare your own word wall of the difficult words of the poem and learn them. What we have to do? Remember, in our unit number 1 we have prepared our word wall. So here also we'll do the same. We'll check the poem from the book and write its difficult word here. So this is your story, and here read the story, look at the bottle. So for example, I think that bottle is difficult word, so I write bottle there. Okay, similarly you write your difficult words here. Now beta, come think. Write words that end with double E. For example, B. Here we have been given 2 spaces and we will write 2 words that end with double E. For example, B. और क्या हो सकते हैं? The words which end at double E. Think. So the first word could be tree. You know the spelling of tree? TREE, tree. Okay, right? Now the second word, double E, ending with double E. Yes, toffee. TOFF, so I am writing here toffee. Now next question is, write a sentence using one of the words that end with double E. Now you have to make the sentences of any of the words which are ending at double E. So let's make a sentence of tree. Think of a sentence of tree. Like, I saw a big tree. This is a banana tree. I have a tree in my house. I sit under a tree. My friend climbs on a tree. Anything we can write. So I wrote tree. I saw a mango tree. Okay. Now come to page number 7, bete. On page number 7, again there is a work of the toffee. So write date and day here and read the instruction with me. Circle the picture on each line that has the same meaning as the word. Again read. Circle the picture on each line that has the same meaning as the word. Now here you have been given a word, and after that there are 3 pictures. Now we have to circle that picture which has the same meaning as the word. So the first word is look. Look. Is he looking? No. Is rabbit looking? What is rabbit doing? Rabbit is eating the carrot. And third picture is eyes. Very good. So we look with the eyes. So circle it. Okay. Now the second word is bottle. And again you have 3 pictures. Which one you think is the bottle? Yes, they are bottles. But this is a jar. This is a feeder. This is a glue bottle. So which one you want to like circle? Yes, anyone which you like. Now third is ant. This is ant. Is this ant or is this ant? This is ant. This is grasshopper. And this is Scorpio. So circle this. Now climb. He climbs, he climbs और he climbs. कौन climb कर रहा है? Yes, he is climbing. He is sitting and he is shouting. He is raising his hand. So he is climbing. Circle this. Now the last word is lots of ants. Is this lots of ants? Is this lots of ants? Is this lots of ants? Lots of ants means many ants. Which one many ants? Yes. Circle it. Okay class. Now you do this work. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.